You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this French priest. How do you say it in French? For reference, in France it is said as Pierre Teilhard, silent D, de Chardin. Pierre Teilhard de Chardin. Pierre Teilhard de Chardin. It'd be fine in English to say it as Pierre Teilhard de Chardin. Pierre Teilhard de Chardin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.